Welcome to ZenInbox, where your email management is smarter, faster, and more secure. Let's dive into the powerful options available inside each email to enhance your productivity. Navigate to the Conversation tab in ZenInbox. Open any email you wish to manage. Locate the two three-dot menus. The first is in the top toolbar for broader conversation actions. The second is within the email view, offering detailed options to handle the specific email. Top toolbar, three-dot menu. This menu offers options to manage the broader email conversation. Create event. Quickly create a calendar event related to this email, ideal for scheduling follow-ups or meetings without leaving your inbox. Filter messages. Like these. Automate your workflow by setting filters to organize similar emails into folders or apply rules for categorization. Mute silence. Future notifications for this email thread to avoid distractions. Within the email three-dot menu, this menu provides more granular actions for the specific email you're viewing. Mark as unread. Mark the email as unread to revisit it later, or as a reminder for follow-up. Filter messages. Like these, set up custom rules to handle similar emails automatically, just like in the top menu. Print. Print the email content directly for offline records or physical use. Delete. This email. Permanently delete the email and move it to the trash folder. Report spam. Flag the email as spam to prevent future messages from this sender cluttering your inbox. Report phishing. Notify ZenInbox of a phishing attempt to enhance security and block similar emails. Block the sender to ensure no further communication is received from them. Keep newest. Automatically keep only the latest email in a thread, removing older or duplicate messages. Show original. View the raw email, including headers and metadata, for technical analysis or debugging. Translate instantly. Translate the email content into your preferred language. Download. Save the email locally on your device for archiving or sharing. Forward as attachment. Share the email as an attachment, preserving its original content and format. Thank you for choosing ZenInbox, your trusted partner in smarter email management.